How to add apps to desktop. So what we can simply do is we can click on our search bar and search for our settings, and after searching for our settings we can simply go in our settings, and there we'll get to see personalization right there in our left options area, and there we can simply click on our personalization, and then we can simply scroll down a bit and we'll click on themes, and then we'll get to see desktop icon setting. From there, we can simply choose all of these options from our files section, like computer, network, and others options like control panel, etc. So we can simply click on it and apply it easily in our desktop. And for the apps that we have downloaded by ourselves in our desktop, we can simply click on our search icon, and then we can click on all apps. Here we can see all of the apps that we have downloaded. So we can simply here I am choosing WhatsApp to add it in our desktop. I'll simply long press it, and we can simply drag it to the place we want to keep it. And here you can see that I have added a app WhatsApp in my desktop here. So after right clicking on this app itself, we will get a delete option here. We can simply delete it very easily as well. So yeah, that is how we can add apps to desktop in Windows 11.